All right, let's look at question 20. It says two ball bearings have volume 1.6 centimeter cube and 5.4 centimeter cube. Find the ratio of their surface area. Now, the ball bearing is in the shape of a sphere. Now, the surface area is given by the formula 4 pi r squared. And the volume is given by 4 over 3 pi r cube. Now, since there are two, let one of their radius be small r and the other one be big letter, capital letter R. So the ratio of their surface area will be 4 over 4 pi r squared over 4 pi big R squared. So this 4 pi and 4 pi will cancel out. So their surface area as SA is equals to R over R all squared. Now let's look at the volume. The volume was given by the ratio of the volume, that's 4 over 3 pi r cube, small letter r for the first one, over 4 over 3 pi big R cube. 4 over 3 pi we cancel. We are left with r cube and r big letter R cube. We are told that for the small one it was 1.6, so this is 1.6 over 5.4. 5.4, that's their volume. This was equals to 1.6, this one was equals to 5.4. Now this becomes, from here, this can be written as a whole number, multiply up and down the numerator and the denominator by 10, so this becomes 16 over 4. So we have that our r cube over is equals to 16 over 4, 54. Now take the cube root of both sides to remove this r cube. So r over r will be equals to the cube root of 16 over 54. We can use 2 to divide. 2 here 8, 2 here 27. So cube root of 8, what's that number that will multiply 3 times that will give me 8? That's 2. This is 3. 3 times 3 times 3, 27. So that's 2 over 3. So our r over r is equals to 2 over 3. Remember, the surface area was given by this r over r all squared. You see, 2 over 3 was in the option, but that's not the answer. So our surface area, because they say find the ratio of their surface area, that's r over r all squared. So this becomes, the ratio of their surface area will be 2 over 3 all squared. So 2 squared is what? 4 over 9. So that's 4 ratio 9, which is option A.